This isn't normal. I'm in a desert. But the desert's sad. Oh my god. I'm actually in a desert. Like, I didn't know I was in a desert, but I am in a desert. And not any desert, I'm in the Kalahari Desert, which is the second biggest desert in Africa. You know, I don't even know. That's nonsense information, because I don't know which one. Yo. It's quite extraordinary that I'm in a desert, okay? Because it's not normal for me to be in the desert. La, la, la. Continuing our downward adventure. Oh my god, mini cave. I don't even know if you can see anything. And here we are. Finally. After so many guys, sorry, I'm just trying not to fall right now. Oh my god, I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, we're really here. This is it, my vloggers. On channel UC Kid Travels. I don't know what kind of waterfall this is. Don't ask me. Yes, Augrabies Falls. UC Kid Travels. This is Augrabies Falls. Okay, so serious stuff. Gonna catch up with Gadi. That's her name, by the way. I thought I was in a desert. I don't even know if you can see this properly because I'm filming with a phone. But yes, y'all, is the wait, I forgot the name. Oh yeah, the Augrabies or whatever fall. Continuing my adventure because I want to see more in life. It cannot be the end of everything. Let's go, easy kids. La, da, 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 da. This is crazy, but a beautiful crazy, you guys. Yes, a beautiful crazy. Let's go more down. We are officially more down, everyone. And this is how more down looks like. As you can see, there's a waterfall, here's a waterfall, and there's continuing waterfall. Okay, you guys, I know it's weird that I'm showing you this staircase, but thank you for watching. Watching my journey to show you guys. You know what? I'll probably make another video. But if I don't, goodbye. I'll see you very soon.